Hi all, I am KRV from Pi-MSquare. Pi-MSquare is the best online platform where you can learn the basics of digital marketing for free. You can browse www.pi-msquare.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel Pi-MSquare for more updates on digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, and many more management concepts learning for free. Today we are going to discuss about the social media marketing tutorials and basics. This tutorial will explain you the basics understanding of social media and how you're going to do the marketing over social media platforms. So social media marketing is one of the strategies in digital marketing used to increase the website traffic, lead generation, and customer acquisition. This tutorial will explain you the basic understanding of social media marketing and strategies so that you can use these techniques to increase your website traffic or blog traffic as well as the web page traffic and build a brand over online. Even you can generate leads or the business. For whom this course is designed? This course is designed for the beginners who just want to understand or learn the social media marketing skills. The course is designed and developed in a very simple way so that the beginners can understand what exactly is the social media and how the social media marketing is done. We assume that you are aware of search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and social media platforms or the channels like Facebook, Instagram, and basics of Twitter or the Pinterest. Even if you don't understand this video is going to explain you the concepts of this very slowly so that you can understand the each and every aspects of the social media channels. Overview of social media marketing. So social media is really an amazing platform to build your brand, generate leads, and promote your products or services. You can create your own Facebook page business for business. Even you can add details of your business. You can grow your business on the business page. You can add your website URL to drive the website traffic. You can post the creatives there, get engaged with your audience, get likes, shares, which will help you to brand easily. Social media is really great for a platform for the organizations or the startups or the SMEs because you can reach the target audience, the huge number of target audience within a short span of time. Social media marketing is a platform where people share and like the content which they like most. It is from the research found that 75% of people in social media love to share if they like it. It is the same old word of mouth marketing, but the difference is that we are making it in the online segment and we are calling it as viral marketing. It is word of mouth marketing powered by the online technology to build the brand in a short span of time. Thanks to the internet that we are hitting out our numbers online very easily. Social media marketing is the platform or online technical tool used to build the relationship, attract customers, and keep in touch with them. It is a great way to generate leads, repeat business, or even create referrals and prospects also. Thus, what we have discussed about the overview of what exactly is social media marketing and how it is happening over the online platform. The social media have different channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and there are few more channels which are popular in some of the other geography like Pinterest, Snapchat, StumbleUpon, Tumblr, Flickr. You have you name it, you have a social media marketing channel there. So based on your business, based on your target audience, based on your geography, where your business is present, and how you are going to reach your target audience, to which medium is the strategy you have to use in social media marketing. But the major part of social media marketing happens through four major channels. One is that Facebook, then Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Facebook is helpful for the business or the startups where there is no need of putting out a huge money. Twitter is based on your business logic, which I suggest you that if your business is into entertainment or politics, or you're helping out a political party, or you're making some sports event or something like that, then you can go ahead with the Twitter. And Instagram marketing is for majorly on the entertainment, fitness, education, than technical. And coming back, the major part goes as the entertainment and film and all these things. YouTube is the major platform for most of the business, be it in industry. YouTube is the major platform where it is very helpful. So we will be discussing it step by step about the Facebook and the Twitter and Instagram and YouTube marketing with different videos. So this video is just to explain you about the overview of social media, and the social media marketing is all about, and how I'm going to classify these things and help you out on the social media marketing. So stay tuned for the next video of ours, and like to thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Pi-MSquare for more videos on digital marketing, marketing and management concepts. Thank you.